मी चंद्रशेखर प्रभावती कृष्णराव बावनकुळे ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की कायद्याद्वारे स्थापित झाले आहे अशा भारताच्या संविधानाबद्दल मी खरी श्रद्धा व निष्ठा बाळगीन. मी भारताची सार्वभौमता व एकात्मता उन्नत राखीन. मी महाराष्ट्र राज्याचा मंत्री म्हणून माझी कामे निष्ठापूर्वक व सतत विवेकबुद्धीने पार पाडीन आणि संविधान व कायदा यानुसार सर्व तऱ्हेच्या लोकांना मी निर्भयपणे व निपक्षपातीपणे तसेच कोणाच्याही विषयी ममत्वभाव किंवा आकस न बाळगता न्याय्य वागणूक देईल. मी चंद्रशेखर प्रभावती कृष्णराव बावनकुळे ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की महाराष्ट्र राज्याचा मंत्री म्हणून माझ्या विचारार्थ आणली जाईल किंवा मला ज्ञात होईल अशी कोणतीही बाब असा मंत्री म्हणून माझी कामे यथायोग्य पार पाडण्यासाठी आवश्यक असेल ते खेरीज करून एरवी मी कोणत्याही व्यक्तीला किंवा व्यक्तींना प्रत्यक्षपणे वा अप्रत्यक्षपणे कळवणार नाही किंवा त्यांच्याकडे उघड करणार नाही.
मी खरी श्रद्धा व निष्ठा बाळगीन. मी भारताची सार्वभौमता व एकात्मता उन्नत राखीन. मी महाराष्ट्र राज्याचा मंत्री म्हणून माझी कामे निष्ठापूर्वक सतत विवेकबुद्धीने पार पाडीन आणि संविधान व कायदा यानुसार सर्व तऱ्हेच्या लोकांना निर्भयपणे व निपक्षपातीपणे तसेच कोणत्याही विषयी ममत्वभाव किंवा आकस न बाळगता न्याय वागणूक देईल. मी राधाकृष्ण सिंधुताई एकनाथराव विखे पाटील ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की महाराष्ट्र राज्याचा मंत्री म्हणून माझ्या विचारार्थ आणली जाईल किंवा मला ज्ञात होईल अशी कोणतीही बाब असा मंत्री म्हणून माझी कामे यथायोग्य पार पाडण्यासाठी आवश्यक असेल ते खेरीज करून एरवी मी कोणत्याही व्यक्तीला किंवा व्यक्तींना प्रत्यक्षपणे व अप्रत्यक्षपणे कळवणार नाही किंवा त्यांच्याकडे उघड करणार नाही. जय हिंद.
My colleague Anuj is with us at this moment, one by one. In fact, ministers taking oath I can see another familiar face, Pankaja Munde, also among the ministers who are going to take the oath. Anuj, now, so what's the little clarity on this? How many? What is the total number? How many significant people from the BJP, NCP, and the Shiv Sena taking oath today?
The total number of leaders who will be taking oath today is 39, which is very close to the maximum number of cabinet positions available here in Maharashtra. And as we've been saying it time and again, it is the Bharatiya Janata Party who has gotten the largest share out of it. But at the same time, they've tried to satisfy their two partners, with at least what they wanted. We've seen that since the word go, the demand of the Shiv Sena and NCP as far as the number of the ministerial candidates is concerned was very certain. Shiv Sena wanted, something ranging from 12 to 15, whereas, NCP wanted 9 to 11. What we're learning is that, in all likeliness, Shiv Sena will be having 12 of their MLAs. So 12 of their MLAs who are present there,
yes.
At the event, who will be taking the oath as ministers. Mr. Chandrasekhar Bawankule, who is the BJP state unit president, has already
Anuj, just hold on for a
oath.
second. Let's just take a look at the ministers taking oath and then I'll come back to you.
महाराष्ट्र राज्याचा मंत्री म्हणून माझ्या विचारात आणली जाईल की मला ज्ञात होईल अशी कोणती बाब असा मंत्री म्हणून माझी कामे यथायोग्य पार पाडण्यासाठी आवश्यक असेल ते खेरीज करून एरवी मी कोणत्याही व्यक्तीला किंवा व्यक्तींना प्रत्यक्षपणे व अप्रत्यक्षपणे कळवणार नाही किंवा त्यांच्याकडे उघड करणार नाही. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
श्री चंद्रकांत सरस्वती बच्चू पाटील.
मी चंद्रकांत सरस्वती बच्चू पाटील ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की कायद्याद्वारे स्थापित झाले अशा भारताच्या संविधानाबद्दल मी खरी श्रद्धा व निष्ठा बाळगीन. मी भारताची सार्वभौमता व एकात्मता उन्नत राखीन. मी महाराष्ट्र राज्याचा मंत्री म्हणून माझी कामे निष्ठापूर्वक व सत्सद विवेक बुद्धीने पार पाडीन आणि संविधान व कायद्यानुसार सर्व तऱ्हेच्या लोकांना मी निर्भयपणे व निपक्षपातीपणे तसेच कोणाच्याही विषयी ममत्वभाव किंवा आकर्ष न बाळगता न्याय्य वागणूक देईन.
This is a senior BJP leader Chandrakant Patil who has served on important positions for the Bharatiya Janata Party in the state. Having started his career in 1980 as a student leader with the Bharatiya Janata Party, he has served, under several important dignitaries, and more importantly, his most recent outing with the Bharatiya Janata Party was to be the state unit president, not just once but on multiple occasions. From in 2019, before Chandrasekhar Bawankule, took over, that was seen as one of the golden ages of the Bharatiya Janata Party here in Maharashtra. Although, they had to make space for the Mahavikas Aghadi to take over, as the government, but it was still the single largest party in the state. And Chandrakant Patil played a very important role in that particular formation. He's considered to be one of the closest persons to the top brass of the Bharatiya Janata Party, especially Mr. Amit Shah, the Home Minister, and of course the Prime Minister. Chandrakant Patil, along with Hassan Mushrif, who took the oath some time ago, and Mr. Chandrasekhar Bawankule, this forms the senior league of ministers in the current Mahayuti 2.0 dispensation. These are all the leaders who have served at important positions either in the cabinet or outside the cabinet, and have played a very crucial role in making sure that their party gets a formidable lead and in several constituencies, and especially in the state in the recently concluded elections.
मी गिरीश गीता दत्तात्रय महाजन ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की कायद्याद्वारे स्थापित झाले आहे अशा भारताच्या संविधानाबद्दल मी खरी श्रद्धा व निष्ठा बाळगीन. मी भारताची सार्वभौमता व एकात्मता उन्नत राखीन. मी महाराष्ट्र राज्याचा मंत्री म्हणून माझे कामे निष्ठापूर्वक सत्सद विवेक बुद्धीने पार पाडीन.
Girish Mahajan is considered to be one of the close associates of Devendra Fadnavis. He's been representing the North Maharashtra region, the Jalgaon rural region in the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly for a long period of time. He's been an MLA from there since 1951. Like many other Bharatiya Janata Party leaders from Maharashtra, even he associated with the BJP since his student days, and he's known to be the ultimate problem solver. He became the minister for the first time in 2014 under the chief ministership of Mr. Devendra Fadnavis, and since then the relationship between them, the professional relationship, has bloomed to such an extent that it is Girish Mahajan on whom Devendra Fadnavis relies whenever he has to make amends, whenever he has to make peace, either with his political opponents or even with his allies on multiple occasions. Besides being a minister of sports, of youth affairs, he's also been the guardian minister of several regions in the northern Maharashtra region.
स्थापित झाले आहे अशा भारताच्या संविधानाबद्दल मी खरी श्रद्धा व निष्ठा बाळगेन.
मी भारताची सार्वभौमता व एकात्मता उन्नत राखीन. मी महाराष्ट्र राज्याचा मंत्री म्हणून माझी
Gulabrao
कामे
Patil became a member of the Legislative Assembly for the 6th consecutive time this time around from the Mawar region.
सर्व तऱ्हेच्या लोकांना मी निर्भयपणे निष्पक्षपातीपणे तसेच
Just like
कोणत्याही
the
विषयी
counterparts who took
प्रभुत्वभाव
oath some time ago, even Gulabrao Patil is considered to be one of the senior most leaders from Shiv Sena.
मी गुलाबराव रेवाबाई रघुनाथ पाटील
He started his career as a normal Karyakarta in Shiv Sena and has rose up the ranks. And with time, even in the erstwhile United Shiv Sena, he was one of the close associates of Eknath Shinde.
युद्ध पार पाडण्यासाठी आवश्यक असेल ते खेरीज करून एरवी मी कोणत्याही व्यक्तीला किंवा व्यक्तींना प्रत्यक्षपणे व अप्रत्यक्षपणे कळवणार नाही किंवा त्यांच्याकडे उघड करणार नाही. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Just like Girish Mahajan who took oath some time ago, even Gulabrao Patil comes from the Jalgaon rural region that he is represented in the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly for 6th consecutive time. Gulabrao Patil was also was considered to be one of the original and one of the easy choices for Eknath Shinde when it came to Eknath Shinde pushing the names of his close allies for the ministerial positions here in the state.
श्री गणेश रामचंद्र नाईक.
मी गणेश रामचंद्र नाईक
Ganesh Naik
मी
from the
गणेश
Bharatiya Janata
रामचंद्र
Party.
नाईक ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की
He has been a member of multiple parties, be it Shiv Sena, Rashtravadi Congress, that is the NCP, and the Bharatiya Janata Party. He has also served as a minister and has worked or has taken the responsibility of multiple portfolios.
माझी कामे
He is a 6-time MLA from the Airoli region here in Mumbai.
बुद्धीने पार पाडीन आणि
He has been an MLA with Shiv Sena. He's been an MLA with the Nationalist Congress Party, erstwhile United Shiv Sena and Nationalist Congress Party, and he is currently with the Bharatiya Janata Party.
न्याय वागणूक देईन. मी गणेश रामचंद्र नाईक
Ganesh Naik is considered to be one of the heavyweights of the Bharatiya Janata Party from the Mumbai region.
माझ्या विचारार्थ
The BJP
किंवा मला
is
ज्ञात होईल
has been looking at him as a formidable force to be reckoned with, especially keeping in mind the recently concluded elections and also the BMC elections,
आवश्यक असेल
which will be
ते
starting soon.
खेरीज करून एरवी मी कोणत्याही व्यक्तीला किंवा व्यक्तींना प्रत्यक्षपणे वा अप्रत्यक्षपणे कळवणार नाही किंवा त्यांच्याकडे उघड करणार नाही.
श्री दादा रेश्माबाई दगडूजी भुसे.
मी दादाजी रेशमाबाई
Dada Bhuse is one of the more popular names from Shiv Sena.
घेतो की
He comes from the Malegaon region in the Nashik district of northern Maharashtra.
संविधानाबद्दल मी खरी श्रद्धा
He is one of the senior most Shiv Sena MLAs here in the Shinde Sena cabinet.
व एकात्मता उन्नत राखीन. मी महाराष्ट्र
He is one
राज्याचा
of the
मंत्री
few
म्हणून
leaders who has served in the cabinet of Uddhav Thackeray, that is during the Mahavikas Aghadi's tenure, and under Eknath Shinde during Mahayuti's 1.0 cabinet.
सर्व तऱ्हेच्या
Besides, he's also been the guardian minister of multiple regions, including regions like Palghar, Dhule, and even Nashik.
किंवा आकस न बाळगता न्याय वागणूक देईन. मी दादाजी रेशमाबाई दगडू भुसे ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की महाराष्ट्र राज्याचा मंत्री म्हणून
This is his
माझ्या
5th term
विचारांना
as an
जाईन.
MLA.
किंवा
Dada
मला
Bhuse
ज्ञात
has
होईल
been representing
अशी कोणतीही बाब
Outer
असा
Malegaon
मंत्री म्हणून
constituency
माझी कामे
since the year
यथायोग्य पार
2004. He
पाडण्यासाठी
stayed with Shiv Sena,
आवश्यक असेल ते
first while
खेरीज
United
करून
Shiv Sena and now
एरवी
with Eknath
मी
Shinde Shiv Sena.
कोणत्याही व्यक्तीला किंवा व्यक्तींना प्रत्यक्षपणे वा अप्रत्यक्षपणे कळवणार नाही किंवा त्यांच्याकडे उघड करणार नाही. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की महाराष्ट्र राज्याचा
Sanjay Rathod, who is
म्हणून
also considered to be a
माझ्या
giant
विचारात
killer,
आणली जाईल
as he's
किंवा
deputed
मला द्यात
former
होईल
Minister Manikrao
अशी
Thakre on two
कोणतीही
different
बाब
occasions from
असा
Shiv Sena,
मंत्री म्हणून
has
माझी
gotten an
कामे
opportunity to be a minister this time
यथायोग्य
around.
पार पाडण्यासाठी आवश्यक असेल ते
He's an MLA. He's been an MLA from
एरवी मी
2004
कोणत्याही व्यक्तीला किंवा व्यक्तींना प्रत्यक्षपणे
from Yavatmal
वा
region of the state.
अप्रत्यक्षपणे कळणार नाही किंवा त्यांच्याकडे उघड करणार नाही.
Sanjay
जय
Rathod
हिंद,
is also
जय
known for
महाराष्ट्र, जय
his
माऊली,
popularity
जय
amongst
शिवालाल.
different regions of the state,
श्री
especially amongst
धनंजय
the Shiv
रुक्मिणी
Sainiks.
पंडितराव मुंडे.
मी धनंजय रुक्मिणीबाई पंडितराव मुंडे ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की कायद्याद्वारे
Dhananjay Munde
स्थापित झाले आहे अशा
is
भारताच्या
He's a
संविधानाबद्दल
cousin of Pankaja Munde. He's also related to the late celebrated leader from Maharashtra, Mr. Gopinath Munde.
मी महाराष्ट्र राज्याचा मंत्री म्हणून माझे कामे निष्ठापूर्वक
He represents the Bid region in Maharashtra. He's again one of those few leaders who has been a minister during the Mahavikas Aghadi's term and during Mahayuti's term.
विषयी ममत्व भाव किंवा अकस न बाळगता न्याय वागणूक देईल.
In the recently held Maharashtra Assembly elections, he got one of the highest number of votes
ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की
amongst the other candidates, other winning candidates from the Pawar faction of Rashtrapati Congress.
होईल अशी कोणतीही बाब असा मंत्री म्हणून
Dhananjay
माझी
Munde was
कामे
known for
यथायोग्य
rivalry
पार
with his
पाडण्यासाठी
cousin Pankaja Munde,
आवश्यक असेल ते खेरीज
while
करून
when both of
एरवी
them
मी
were in the
कोणत्याही
opposite
व्यक्तीला
factions, but ever
किंवा
since
व्यक्तींना
Ajit Pawar has
प्रत्यक्षपणे व
changed the
अप्रत्यक्षपणे
ship and has moved
कळवणार
to
नाही
Mahayuti,
किंवा
Dhananjay
त्यांच्याकडे
Munde and
उघड
Pankaja
करणार
Munde
नाही.
have come to the same path. Dhananjay Munde was a part of the Bharatiya Janata Party earlier. Later, he moved to Rashtrapati Congress in the year 2020.
श्री मंगल प्रभात गुमानमल लोढ़ा.
Mangal Prabhat Lodha represents the Malabar Hill constituency, one of the posh locations here in Mumbai. An extremely popular leader. He especially comes from a part of the city which is known for its very low voter turnout. But Mangal Prabhat Lodha is a very well-known name in the political and the business circles of Mumbai.
मी मंगल प्रभात गुमानमल लोढ़ा ईश्वर साक्ष कृत्वा अहम शपथ करोमि यत्
Mangal Prabhat Lodha is also known to be one of the richest legislators, one of the richest assembly members here in Maharashtra. Besides his successful career as a businessman, he's always been with the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad and is also known to be a very close associate of the Rashtriya Swayansevak Sangh. Mangal Prabhat Lodha has held different portfolios from 2014, ever since Bharatiya Janata Party's government came into being in the state.
मंगल प्रभात गुमानमल लोढ़ा ईश्वर साक्षीने शपथ करोमि यत् महाराष्ट्र राज्य से मंत्री रूपेण मम विचारार्थ आगमिष्याति व मम ज्ञाने आगच्छाति यह विषय सविषय मंत्री रूपेण मम कर्तव्य सम्यक प्रकारेण संपादयितुं आवश्यकं भवत् ततः वर्जयित्वा अन्यथा कशापि व्यक्तीना समक्ष प्रत्यक्ष व अप्रत्यक्ष प्रकटयेतु व ज्ञापयेतु व न करिष्यामि। भारत माता की जय।
श्री उदय स्वरूपा रविंद्र सामंत।
Uday Samant is one of those leaders again who is considered to be a very close associate of Mr. Eknath Shinde. Before taking the oath as the Deputy Chief Minister of the state, there were reports about how Eknath Shinde was in two minds till the very last moment. Uday Samant played a very crucial role by taking a band of Shiv Sena MLAs and trying to convince Eknath Shinde to take over as the Deputy Chief Minister of the state. He started his career as from Rashtrapati Congress, from the erstwhile United Rashtrapati Congress, and he was also a part of the then cabinet ministry of Prithviraj Chavan in the year 2013 in Congress and NCP alliance. Uday Samant is known for having the Konkan region as his stronghold, especially Ratnagiri, from where he comes. Konkan region has been one of the more important parts for the Shiv Sena party, and one of the reasons why even after the split the Konkan has performed well for Shinde Sena. Uday Samant is considered to be one of the major reasons for the same.
श्री जय कुमार, नयन कुंवर, जितेंद्र सिंह रावल।
मैं वीर शिरोमणी महाराणा प्रताप छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज सर्व महापुरुषांना मी अभिवादन करतो। खानदेशच्या
Jaykumar Rawal is an MLA from Jalgaon.
मी जयकुमार नयन कुंवर जितेंद्र सिंह रावल
He started his political career in 2009. Ever since 2009, he's been a member of the Legislative Assembly for 4 consecutive times.
मी भारताची सार्वभौमता व एकात्मता उन्नत राखीन। मी महाराष्ट्र राज्याचा मंत्री
Born in a royal family, Jaykumar Rawal he became the cabinet minister in the state for the first time in the year 2016 after the first cabinet reshuffle in Devendra Fadnavis's government.
तसेच कोणाचाही विषय ममत्व भाव किंवा आकस न बाळगता न्याय वागणूक देईल।
The North Maharashtra region, which usually swings to either the NCP Pawar faction or NCP Ajit faction, the presence of the Bharatiya Janata Party and their leaders for the longest period of time had been quite limited there, and leaders like Rawal have played an important role in making sure that the popularity of the BJP reaches to the last common denominator in that region.
ते खेरीज करून एरवी मी कोणत्याही व्यक्तीला किंवा व्यक्तींना प्रत्यक्षपणे किंवा अप्रत्यक्षपणे कळविणार नाही किंवा त्यांच्याकडे उघड करणार नाही। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, जय श्रीराम।
श्रीमती पंकजा प्रज्ञा गोपीनाथ मुंडे।
मी पंकजा प्रज्ञा गोपीनाथ मुंडे ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेते की कायद्याद्वारे स्थापित झाले आहे अशा भारताच्या संविधानाबद्दल मी खरी श्रद्धा व निष्ठा बाळगीन। मी भारताची सार्वभौमता व एकात्मता उन्नत राखीन। मी महाराष्ट्र राज्याची मंत्री म्हणून माझी कामे निष्ठापूर्वक व सदसद विवेक बुद्धीने पार पाडीन आणि संविधान व कायदा यानुसार सर्व तऱ्हेच्या लोकांना मी निर्भयपणे व निपक्षपातीपणे तसेच कोणाच्याही विषयी ममत्व भाव किंवा आकस न बाळगता न्याय्य वागणूक देईन. मी पंकजा प्रज्ञा गोपीनाथ मुंडे ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेते की महाराष्ट्र राज्याची
Mundi
मंत्री
lost
म्हणून
in the
माझ्या
2024 Lok Sabha election, and the loss is often credited to the Maratha vote consolidation in the Marathwada region of the state. But she was able to turn around the tide and come out victorious in the state assembly elections from her constituents. Pankaj Mundi is also considered to be the political and the natural heir to Gopinath Rao Mundi. Pankaj Mundi has also served as a minister in the 2014 cabinet of Devendra Fadnavis. Pankaj Mundi is one of the 3 females from the Bharatiya Janata Party who will be taking oath as a minister today. Atul Savi, who comes from Sambhajinagar, earlier known as Aurangabad. He had been the Bharatiya Janata Party's head in that particular region of Marathwada. From 2001 to 2009.
मी अतुल लीलावती मोरेश्वर सावे
Atul Savi has also taken up responsibilities of being the secretary of the Bharatiya Janata Party
अशा भारताच्या
before the
संविधानाबद्दल
2014 election.
श्रद्धा व निष्ठा बाळगी मी भारताची सर्व ममता व एकात्मता उन्नीत राखीन. मी महाराष्ट्र राज्याचा मंत्री म्हणून माझी कामे
Atul Savi's family is known to be the ardent followers of Shiv Sena and Bal Thackeray.
संविधान व कायदा यानुसार सर्व तऱ्हेच्या
Atul Savi
लोकांना मी
himself has served as a minister earlier
व
as well.
निपक्षपातीपणे तसेच कोणाच्याही विषयी ममताभाव किंवा आकस न बाळगता न्याय वागणूक देईल. मी अतुल लीलावती मोरेश्वर सावे ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की
Before
महाराष्ट्र
becoming
राज्याचा मंत्री
the
म्हणून
first time MLA
माझ्या
from the Aurangabad region, he
आणली
served
जाईल किंवा
as
मला
the Jilla
ज्ञात
Pramukh
होईल
for the district head of the region from 1997.
माझी कामे यथायोग्य पार
He won his first
पाडण्यासाठी
consecutive election in 2024 from the same region.
मी कोणत्याही व्यक्तीला किंवा व्यक्तींना प्रत्यक्षपणे व अप्रत्यक्षपणे कळवणार नाही किंवा त्यांच्याकडे उघड करणार नाही. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
डॉक्टर अशोक जनाबाई रामाजी उईके.
मी अशोक जनाबाई रामाजी उईके ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की कायद्याद्वारे स्थापित झाले आहे अशा भारताच्या संविधानाबद्दल मी खरी श्रद्धा
Ashok Udupi comes from the Yavatmal region of the state. This is his third term as an MLA from 2014.
निष्ठापूर्वक व सद्सद्विवेकबुद्धीने पार पाडेल आणि संविधान व कायदा यानुसार सर्व तऱ्हेच्या लोकांना मी निर्भयपणे व
Ashok Udupi has been one of those leaders who come from non-Brahmin, non-Maratha background and have played again a very important and a crucial role in helping the Bharatiya Janata Party consolidate their narrative of caste in the state right before the election. He had served as a Minister of Tribal Affairs in the state in 2019 as well.
अशी कोणतीही बाब असा मंत्री म्हणून माझी कामे यथा योग्य पार पाडण्यासाठी आवश्यक असेल ते खेरीज करून एरवी मी कोणत्याही व्यक्तीला किंवा व्यक्तींना प्रत्यक्षपणे व अप्रत्यक्षपणे कळवणार नाही किंवा त्यांच्याकडे उघड करणार नाही. जय श्रीराम.
श्री शंभूराज विजयादेवी शिवाजीराव देसाई।
मी शंभूराज विजयादेवी शिवाजीराव देसाई ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की कायद्याद्वारे स्थापित झाले आहे अशा भारताच्या संविधानाबद्दल मी खरी श्रद्धा व निष्ठा बाळगीन। मी भारताची सार्वभौमता व एकात्मता उन्नत राखीन। मी महाराष्ट्र राज्याचा मंत्री म्हणून माझी कामे निष्ठापूर्वक व सत्सद विवेक बुद्धीने पार पाडीन आणि संविधान व कायदा यानुसार सर्व तऱ्हेच्या लोकांना मी निर्भयपणे व निपक्षपातीपणे तसेच कोणाच्याही विषयी ममत्व भाव किंवा आकस न बाळगता न्याय वागणूक देईन। मी शंभूराज विजयादेवी शिवाजीराव देसाई ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की महाराष्ट्र राज्याचा मंत्री म्हणून माझ्या विचारार्थ आणली जाईल किंवा मला ज्ञात होईल अशी कोणतीही बाब असा मंत्री म्हणून माझी कामे यथायोग्य पार पाडण्यासाठी आवश्यक असेल ते खेरीज करून एरवी मी कोणत्याही व्यक्तीला किंवा व्यक्तींना प्रत्यक्षपणे वा अप्रत्यक्षपणे कळवणार नाही किंवा त्यांच्याकडे उघड करणार नाही। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र।
ॲडव्होकेट आशिष मीनल बाबाजी शेलार।
मी ॲडव्होकेट आशिष मिनल बाबाजी शेलार ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की कायद्याद्वारे स्थापित झाले आहे अशा भारताच्या संविधानाबद्दल मी खरी श्रद्धा व निष्ठा बाळगीन। मी भारताची सार्वभौमता व एकात्मता उन्नत राखीन। मी महाराष्ट्र राज्याचा मंत्री म्हणून माझी कामे निष्ठापूर्वक व सत्सद विवेक बुद्धीने पार पाडीन आणि संविधान व कायदा यानुसार सर्व तऱ्हेच्या लोकांना।
Ashish Shelar there, Mumbai State President of the BJP taking oath. Several senior leaders of the BJP, including Chandrasekhar Bawankuli, the state president of the BJP, and Chandrakant Dada Patil, the former president of the BJP, also Pankaja Munde, who lost the 2024 Lok Sabha polls from Bid, but of course is an MLC from there. Her cousin Dhananjay Munde, who represents the NCP, have all taken oath. Several leaders very close to Eknath Shinde, including Dada Bhuse, and also some people from the BJP, including Radhakrishna Vikhe Patil, former revenue minister, have also taken oath. Let me go across to Anuj Raite, who's been tracking this very closely. Anuj, some very familiar expected names there, but also some names which were expected but have not really found a seat there on the stage, including Chhagan Bhujbal and including Dilip Walse Patil. So clearly there seems to be a lot of thought that has gone into the swearing-in ceremony, the kind of faces who have made it as ministers of Maharashtra. Tell us what exactly, what is the thinking in all the camps, and have the deliberations reached some level of consensus?
So the 39 MLAs will be taking oath today as ministers, and all this while it's been over 20 days since Mahayuti 2.0 government came into being, since they received a huge mandate. But then there has been a lot of contention over the portfolio distribution for multiple reasons. Now, very interestingly, a short while back when Ajit Pawar was asked about the likes of Dilip Walse Patil and Chhagan Bhujbal, he made it very clear that the decision of choosing ministers is not up to the party heads, but it is up to the chief minister, which is a very clear indication that there has been an active role or active involvement of Devendra Fadnavis in nitpicking, in choosing these MLAs to be the ministers. Although the ministers who have taken oath up until now have all done so on expected lines, these were the ministers, these were the MLAs who would have anyways, who were qualified or were like easy picks to be the ministers. But it is the like of Dilip Walse Patil, it is the likes of Chhagan Bhujbal, both of them from the NCP, someone like Deepak Kesarkar, who served as the primary education minister, from Shiv Sena, and all of these leaders, Tanaji Sawant, again a very important leader for Shinde Sena. These are the leaders who may not find a spot in today's ministerial berth. Having said that, Ajit Pawar also made it very clear, short while before this particular event began, he was speaking in the NCP Merava at Nagpur, where he made it very clear that most of the ministers who will be taking oath today will be doing so for the next 2.5 years. And through that, the Mahayuti government wants to give representation to as many different communities, as many different sections in the state as possible. So it becomes very interesting to see whether the likes of Chhagan Bhujbal, Dilip Walse Patil, Tanaji Sawant, Deepar Kesarkar, who've served as ministers, who are of course very tall leaders from their own parties, have they been promised anything for the rest of the 2.5 years, or have there been no such kind of promises been made from the Mahayuti government? Of course, that will only become clear with time. But another trend that we can see with the kind of ministers or MLAs who are taking oath here is the fact that all the three parties are trying to keep a mix of not just different communities in different regions in the state, but also of experience and youth. We are expecting someone like Nitesh Rane from the Bharatiya Janata Party to take oath as well. Ashish Shelar, who had only served, who had been very vocal about the issues of the Bharatiya Janata Party here in Mumbai and had been an administrative person, especially managing the BJP here in the south, in Mumbai, had also won from the Bandra West constituency for the last 3 terms, and even he has gotten an opportunity to represent himself as a minister, or to represent his constituency as a minister on this big stage. So yes, we can clearly see that there is different kinds of balance that has been tried to be struck by the different leaders, especially by Devendra Fadnavis. But at the same time, the equation also becomes very clear. It is the Bharatiya Janata Party who will be taking close to 20 seats. That is almost half the number of seats that are available here in Maharashtra's cabinet quota, while the rest of it will be divided amongst Shiv Sena and NCP. But one thing that is different from last time around is that, when the Mahayuti 2.0 government came into being, there was more of an adjustment that was to be done. The likes of Dilip Walse Patil, Chhagan Bhujbal, these were tall leaders who left the Sharad Pawar camp for Ajit Pawar camp. And hence catering to them with some sort of ministries was the prerogative of not just the not just Ajit Pawar, but also the then Chief Minister, that is Eknath Shinde, because it was important for them to keep Mahayuti in check. However, this time around, this is a complete pre-poll alliance. So there is no the party heads, the chief ministerial phase, they do not really owe any sort of catering to any leaders, irrespective of how much of political experience they are bringing on table. Although we also saw that Chhagan Bhujbal did not attend the NCP Merava, which took place, that I was talking about a short while back in Nagpur, right before the oath-taking ceremony began. So it will be important to see what kind of communication has been done to these senior leaders, who have played a very crucial role in mobilizing votes, not just in their particular constituencies, but someone like Dilip Walse Patil is also a very well-known name in the Ahmednagar region of the state. Someone like Chhagan Bhujbal is a very well-known name, although he's from Mumbai, but he's created his political, the political bandwidth in the northern Maharashtra region, especially in Nashik and places around that. So it'll be important to see what kind of approach they will be having, given that they haven't really found a place for themselves in the first Maharashtra cabinet.
Thank you, Anuj, for reporting those details. Ladies and gentlemen, the Maharashtra cabinet expansion is underway there in Nagpur, and like my colleague Anuj has also been reporting, regional considerations, also gender considerations, community considerations have been top on agenda when it comes to political parties. 39 MLAs are taking oath today. Remember, on the 5th of December already, Devendra Fadnavis has been sworn in as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, and of course, along with him, Deputy Chief Ministers Ajit Pawar and Eknath Shinde.